Here you go. Slapped on the calipers, brake pads. We're gonna put some grease in here. That way when you press the brakes, you see this? You see they bouncing back? Alright, they won't get stuck. When they don't get stuck, they don't wear down. When they get stuck, they wear down uneven, and you don't want that. Now we got some badass rotors. We could hit up Big Bear Mountain, any mountain up here, and get down and dirty. Now we got these brake pads and rotors that are up to my standards now. But here you go, nice pads, rotors. Let's get this in there, see what's up. I ain't got nothing to hold this with, but we'll see what's up, man. See what happens. Whew. Ah, pues eso va a poder. Espera aquí, ¿no? As you can see, I'm using a lot of stuff from Harbor Freight Tools. I keep it simple. I have people that come up to me, like my nephews, and want to borrow stuff, and I don't know about letting them borrow good stuff. Do that for my children, but I have a lot of cheap stuff that I use to fix my car, and it's working for me, and it has. So stay tuned. I think we're gonna do the motor mounts next. Before they get fucked up. Anyways, this is just one basic way we could do this. Dealership was charging me a lot more money, and I love saving money, dude. Money could go towards other things in life besides expensive shit like your auto bills and stuff like that. But look, man, anybody could do this, man. Alright guys, so I guess this is what it is about. I'm trying to tell you guys, got the rotors replaced, 2016 Chevy Traverse, brake pads, had a lifetime warranty, didn't have to pay for them again, paid once, don't fuck them up, take them before they get fucked up, and you guys get some free ones back, part of the warranty. Alright, 2000 Chevy Traverse, guys.